Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. And in today's video I will be cooking salmon, shrimp, and grits today. So yeah, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, turn the notification bell, and let's get into making this delicious meal. So right here, I thought I had showed me like cleaning my grits and everything like that before I put it in, but I didn't get that part. So yeah, I'm whipping up the grits, and then right here I'm getting my pan ready to start cooking the salmon and the shrimp. So I know you all been wondering, like, where has she been? She haven't dropped a video in a long time. But if you haven't known, I was sick for a little bit. I had strep throat, and like immediately after I got well from that, I ended up developing this nasty cough and start losing my voice and everything. So this video here is almost 3 weeks old, and I'm finally editing it and getting it out to you all today. So I don't know about y'all, I have to season any meat that I cook like all the way through. I have to have some kind of flavor to it. I don't see how people start cooking their meat and just not putting just salt and pepper on it. I gotta have some of everything on it. So I'm seasoning up my salmon here and my shrimp. Got the butter melting in the pan so I can get ready and start sauteing everything up. So comment down below and let me know what are your favorite seasonings that you like to use when you cook. I normally stick to the same ones that I showed you in the video. I don't switch it up. Every now and then I might see something that I might want to try, but other than that, these are my go-to seasonings right here. So I'm starting out here searing the salmon skin side down first so it can get a little crispy, and then we're gonna saute it up real good and then flip it over on the side. And all I'm doing right now is just checking up on my grits, making sure they're not too thick or too loose, just perfectly creamy. Going ahead and add in this shredded cheese. And also comment down below, do you like your grits with cheese or without? I know some people prefer without, but it doesn't matter to me as long as it's good and it's cooked perfectly.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all
So what I'm about to do right now is go ahead and turn the salmon over so it can cook on the other side equally.
Your favorite music on all the way baritone.
So I'm coming back here to double check on the salmon and get ready to take it out so we can start working on my shrimp.
I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world to wake up yet.
So comment down below, let me know how everyone has been doing. Like, what is there any changes going on within your life, or any new things you want to do if you have a YouTube channel, any changes you're trying to do to that to amp up the audience or the people that YouTube draws to your channel. Let me know. I know there's some ideas that I've been trying to come up with to see what else I want to incorporate. If you've been here for a while, you know I love to cook. I love to show like different outfits, fashion videos, vlogs, cleaning, and all that type of stuff. When I first started my channel, I did do a lot of cleaning, and then I started doing vlogs with incorporated cleaning as well as shopping hauls and stuff like that. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you like to do on your channel and what you like to see come to my channel as well. So now I'm removing the shrimp out of the pan, and we're gonna get ready to work on my creamy sauce. If you've been here for a while, I do this same type of sauce with anything that I make. Like if it's a simple pasta dish, or when it comes to like cooking salmon and all that, I have to have like a sauce to put on top of it. To me, it tastes amazing with the sauce. So yeah, I'm starting out with my garlic here. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to use that. But I normally do more than this, but I started to go a little light this day. So we're gonna get that worked in the pan, get that all good and going, and then add in my whipping cream here. And towards the end of the video, you'll see I forgot to add the Parmesan cheese in before I put the salmon and shrimp. I'm talking country now. Shrimp, not scrimp, but shrimp back in. But I did put it in so it can melt and stir it around when I started plating. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this cooking video here so far. If so, go ahead and comment down a pot emoji to let me know you're enjoying what I am giving you here.
With you I get by every day. When in times like these and I need a friend, you will carry me until the end. When I'm hurt, you kiss it better, 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 until it's gone. When I need your help, you lend a hand.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and plate this wonderful meal up here for you all. I am so glad that you all tuned in today. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is going to try her best to keep recording because everything is content, and be more consistent with you all. So until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Cause you